This is nature. Trees are nature, plants are nature, animals are nature. We are nature. Nature is all around us. We see it every day. Nature is beautiful, and I believe it should stay that way. We humans have destroyed a lot of nature and still are, but I believe that we can do better. That is my personal truth. We human beings have become too used to adapting the environment to suit ourselves. I don't mean to say that we have to live like cavemen, but we can minimize our impact to live in near complete harmony with nature, using new technology and a place in our heart for this kind of beauty. We need to change our ways. We can do better. You can do better. Last thing to say. I don't want you to walk away feeling sad and hopeless, but I don't expect you to be some major nature activist. All I want is for you to take this truth to heart and be more mindful of your impact on nature.